Ready for a double dose of cuteness and laughs? Say hello to Elizabeth, the sassy star of the show. And meet Charles, the laid-back comic who loves a good tumble. Our staff calls them the comedic duo, and they're always up for a giggle. Friendly, social, and fantastic with kids, other cats, and especially dogs. If you've got a furry buddy at home, Elizabeth and Charles are the perfect match. They're all set for a safe, happy life, spayed, microchipped, vaccinated, rabies protected. Adopt Elizabeth for $160, Charles for $60, and give a catscan.org rescue a forever home. Swing by the Kitty Beautiful, 360 State Lane, downtown Orlando, and let the laughter begin. Adopt love. Adopt joy.